Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. It's an exclusive multibagger recommendation video for this week. So the company name is Samkrg Pistons and Rings Ltd. Currently it is trading at 154.75 and the total market capitalization is only around 151 crore. It's a potential company. If we see last 1 year, the company was consolidating at 150 level. So there will be a rally on coming days. It will touch somewhere around 250 to 300 level. So it's a wealth created. So I'll explain you. So once it touch somewhere around 250 or 300 level, you can take out your asset and you can hold the profit on long time basis. So this is a right stock. The stock is listed only in BSE. You can see here in the last trading session it was traded 154.75, almost 0.78% positive, and total 6,957 shares are traded because there are only limited shares are available. Only 50.15 crore is the free floating share. Total market capitalization is only 151.97 and the face value per share is 10. As per the latest filing by the company, you can see here almost 66.88% of the shares are with company promoter. You can see the details of that. The company has been filed on 4th of this month, 04/04/2022. So only the remaining shares are with the public and there is no pledged share. And while we are going to company's fundamental, you can see here the company is mainly manufacturing the automobile spare parts like piston, rings, pins and testing facilities. These are the specialized item. As everyone knows, Indian automobile sector is booming currently and India is focusing on export and all the foreign investments are coming to most of the automobile manufacturers in India. So on coming years, we can expect that India will be a manufacturing hub while we are comparing to the production cost. So at that time, according to the India's policy, Indian government is trying to focus on raw material on production to support all these industries. So automobile accessories manufacturing companies will be the major beneficiaries on this, while Indian government insists the foreign investors to utilize the raw materials from India. And while we looking at the company's financial status, you can see here, as I told you, company's current market capitalization is only 151 crore and you can see the company's reserve itself is almost 156 crore reserve is there. Every year the company's reserve is getting increased. You can see here it's a profit making company since past 5 years. In March 2017, company's reserve was 101 crore and when it comes to March 2021, company's reserve becomes 156 crore and company is paying dividend every year. You can see here company is paying dividend every year. So the current Adore share capital is only 9 crore. Company is maintained the Adore share capital as 9 crore only. It means company is having only 90 lakh shares. Out of that, 68.88% shares are with promoters. So you can imagine how many shares will be there with the public. So I hope there will not be any bonus issue on coming years. Company will focus on demand of its shares. So this is the right time to enter to this stock and to hold it. While we are going to the income statement, if you see the annual income, you can see here almost 200 to 250 crore sales company is making every year and company is making profit of almost 17 to 20 crore every year. Company is making profit every year and I told you that the company is paying dividend every year and the remaining profit is transferring to company's reserve. So the company is a good company and it's a growing company and company is in automobile sector. Company is manufacturing the pistons, rings and also the pins and testing facilities of automobile sector. You can see here Samkrg Pistons and Rings is a leading manufacturer and supplier of piston pins and piston rings for gasoline and diesel IC engines for scooters, motorcycles, cars, tractor, light, commercial vehicle, stationary engines and other special applications from 35 mm to 130 mm diameter. So this is one of the most complicated part in an engine. So there will be demand and always when the demand increase there will be profitability. So that's the reason Samkrg Pistons and Rings Ltd is always delivering profit every year and the company is growing because company's reserve is getting increased and company's Adore share capital remains same. It means the value of share is getting increased but it is not reflected to its share price. This is what I told. In past 5 years, if you take the data, the stock price got reduced almost 31.98% when company itself is grown almost 200%, while we compare past 5 years dividend and also the growth of its reserve. While when we compare to past 1 year data, even when Ukraine issue was happened, the Ukraine and Russian war was happened, at that time also the stock was stable. It means there is a demand for this share. Somebody is accumulating at this current point, so we have to focus on this share to keep accumulating. So this is a right time. Currently it is trading at 154.75 and today it was traded only 0.78% up and only limited shares are available in the open market. Every day almost 6,900 shares are getting traded. The stock is listed only in BSE. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video and kindly stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.